everyone. Take a section of the hair from one of the sides of the scalp and now partition it out and clip it up using a clip. Do the same right underneath it. Keep doing this in repetition. As you continue to do so until you reach the base of it in the side as such. Now puff out each of the sections that you have created. Continue on and then do the same thing on the other side as well. As you can see, these are the sections that we are creating. Loosen the sides on both the sides. You may comb the rest of the hair in place. Next, taking a comb, make a zigzag pattern in the center and now divide it as such. Taking one of the sections, gather a certain amount of hair, twist it and puff it out slightly, add a clip on top of this. Now taking another section right underneath it, once again twist it, add it behind the section that you've initially created. Do the same on the other side, start by twisting it, then slightly puff it out, add a decorative clip behind it. Now take another section from the side and now clip it up at the back of the section you've created. Leave some section of the hair in the front as well. Take a section of the hair in the middle at the top, add a rubber band to it, and afterwards slightly loosen it, puff it out, make a zigzag shape in the center using your fingers and divide it as such. Roll the hair in on itself in order to make this pattern stay. Now make it more pronounced by using your fingers in order to do so. Put each section behind the other. Now slightly puff it up, loosen the sides of the hair. Now take a section off the top and then add a rubber band to it, slightly puff it up as such, wrap the hair around it, clip it up using a large decorative clip. This will be the final look of our hairdo. Next, take a section on one side of the hair at the top and then clip it up after twisting it and puffing it up a little bit. Right underneath it, take another section of the hair. Once again, tie it up and slightly loosen it. Continue on and repeat the same steps on the other side of the hair. That is, twist it and then tie it up and do the same out of the other side. Twist it, include it underneath the clip. This is the final look. Thank you for watching.